place that we're staying at. It's just a little tiny home. It's very cozy. I have a tiny room with 2 beds. You can hear the car from my mom. She's going to get something because tonight we're eating spaghetti. It's traditional when we go on vacation. The first night we eat spaghetti. I don't know, we always do it. Just a thing in our family. I kind of like it here. It's very sweet. I'm gonna show you my room, how it's currently looking, because I kind of need to clean my other bed because yeah, I have 2, but I sleep on one, and the other one is just a place where I'm gonna dump stuff. But this is my room. So here are the 2 beds. Here's where I'm sleeping at, and here is the other one. So yeah, it's a little bit messy currently. So I have some stuff on it. And here's my new iPad that I just installed. It's a new one. I really like the background. It's so cute. And then we have the outside. Here's the kitchen. Everybody's gone, so I thought, why do I not show it? And then we have the place. And oh, I actually didn't see the bathroom yet. Look at it. Here I can also put stuff, and here I am. I don't really wear an outfit that I like, so I'm gonna switch. Here we have the couch. Outside, the table, my mom's bedroom. Yeah, that's actually it. I have a lot of acne at the moment. It's very annoying. So what we're now going to do is just switch outfits to wear something I like. Let's go. I changed into this, and I also put my hair together. I kind of like it more than the other outfit. I'm getting ready. I just wanted to talk with you guys while I was doing that. So we're going to get our skincare back. That's how I call it, because here's a lot of my products. So we're gonna start with like just a cloud foam cleanser. It's coconut water foam cleanser. That's the full title. First we gotta wet your face. A little bit of this. We'll just put it on. It cleans your face, and my skin is so soft afterwards. I like that feeling. I think I kind of put it in my nose actually. Now, what I'm going to do is get our night cream because it helps so well with my acne, and I have like something redness there. Just annoys me. I guess this helps with it too. Yeah, I guess I know because the redness already reduced a bit. Actually, I don't know if reduced was the right word. I don't really have a toner or moisturizer. Is moisturizer the same as night cream? I don't know actually. or like exfoliator. That stuff I don't have currently, so yeah. I'm gonna do it with this today. No serum. I don't want a serum because I don't know, it's too oily and my skin is already oily. If that's making my acne come back. So I always have pimples. Next is just brushing my teeth. Next up is lip balm. And then for my hands, steal my shots. It's not okay. Okay? It's not okay. It's not okay.
It's not okay.
Pretty woman. I'm filming. Our home. I just recorded like 3 cover dances. And my hair, it's a mess. Don't look at it. Now you're looking at it. Don't do it. But I'm like too lazy to brush it. So yeah, that's very nice. Just wanted to inform you guys that I recorded Supernatural, Don't, and Cosmic. Previously, I only wanted to do Cosmic today, but yeah. Now we did 3. The other 2 I actually plan to do tomorrow, but now we have nothing to do tomorrow, only to practice for dance camp. That's like a thing from, I don't know if you guys know Winston Noodles. He's a streamer. He also makes K-pop cover dances on Instagram. I think he posts on TikTok too. And he made like a dance camp, sort of dance competition, and I got through round 1 and 2, so now I need to practice for round 3. And it's a very special dance. I didn't really get to choose the dance. Well, I only got to choose the theme, and I chose performance and commitment. But the dance is a little bit weird. Yeah, I need to shake my butt. And I don't like that. But I'm gonna be like, I try to ignore it. I just do. Also, my mom is making something. Mom! Hi! What are you doing?
I'm fine. Baking some
Very interesting.
something.
Mom! Wait for me! I'm running. Oh, I'm gonna trip. I think I'm pretty in the slide, I don't know. Look at you. You're so pretty.
Dan moet ik. Waar staat je camera nu weer?
There. I'm always looking at myself. I don't know what. I need to make it a habit to look at the camera.
Een slaappakket.
Good morning. It's like, what time is it? Oh, it's almost 10 a.m. And I have my hair, and I don't know. It gives me like, what's she called? Britney Spears vibes. I don't know why. And I also don't know if I like it that much. This one is a bit loose, but okay. We're in the forest again. It's very pretty, you know. And I'm with my mom.
Hi, good morning.
I thought it's so funny to hear you speak English. I'm not used to it. So, just enjoying our morning walk with the dog because we also have a dog with us.